Assalamu alaikum. Today we have a reminder about a great opportunity ahead of you. We are entering the month of Dhul Hijjah. What is Dhul Hijjah? The name Dhul Hijjah is made up of Zu and al-Hijjah. Zu means one who has or possessor of. Hijjah means pilgrimage, which refers to the Hajj. So the literal meaning is possessor of the pilgrimage, or month of the pilgrimage, or month of Hajj. It is the 12th and the last month of the Islamic calendar. What is so special about this month? This month brings Hajj, Day of Arafa, and ul-Adha, three important events of the year. So the first 10 days of this month are sacred for us, even if you are not performing Hajj. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "There are no better days in which good deeds are beloved to Allah than these 10 days." So these 10 days are time of self-reflection, good deeds, charity, and Allah's forgiveness. Let us look at these events. The Hajj is performed on the 8th, 9th, and 10th day of this month. The 9th day is the day of Arafa, which is one of the most important parts of Hajj. On this day, people performing Hajj gather on Mount Arafat to pray for forgiveness from Allah and ask for His blessings. For all others, it is an opportunity to fast and pray to Allah, asking for His forgiveness and blessings. Finally, on the 10th day, it is ul-Adha, the festival of sacrifice. The Qurbani, which is an animal sacrifice, is performed over the next 3 days. The Qurbani is a symbol of the Prophet Ibrahim a.s. faith and devotion to Allah. Now let us look at some acts that can benefit us in these 10 days. First and foremost is the fasting. From the life of Prophet, peace be upon him, we have learned that he used to fast the first 9 days. However, please note that he did not fast all 9 days all years of his life. So if you can fast all 9 days, it is best for you. If you cannot fast all days, inshallah try to fast on the 9th day, the day of Arafa. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "Allah will forgive 2 years of sins for this one day of fasting." Remember, this is for those who are not performing the Hajj. Next, Dhikr. During these 10 days, praise Allah by reciting tasbih, tahmeed, tahleel, and takbir from your heart with utmost seriousness. Takbir refers to Allahu Akbar, which means Allah is great, He is greater than everything else. Tahmeed refers to Alhamdulillah, which means all praise and thanks to Allah alone. Tahleel refers to La ilaha illallah, which means there is no deity worthy of worship except Allah. Tasbih refers to Subhanallah, which means glory be to Allah who is perfect. During these days, praise Allah wherever and whenever possible, as much as possible, more than other times of the year. Make sure you also ask Allah for forgiveness as much as you can. Next on our list is Qurbani or Udiyah. Between the 10th and 12th day of Dhul Hijjah, if you can afford, offer Qurbani in honor of the Prophet Ibrahim a.s. devotion to Allah. This act is a proof of our unconditional love and trust in Allah as Prophet Ibrahim a.s. had. Finally, charity and good deeds. Charity and good deeds are part of everyday life of pious Muslim. During these blessed days, try to increase those good deeds and charity. When it comes to good deeds and charity, we must aim to make today better than yesterday and pray for tomorrow to be better than today. This should be our aspiration every day. May Allah bless you with the best in these 10 days. May Allah forgive us. May Allah end this pandemic and allow us to perform Hajj next year. Ameen. Don't forget to watch our next video on 1-year plan to prepare for Hajj, which can help you start your Hajj planning and preparation right away. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.